Palangga, so for today's video, kay nauso naman sad karon no ang readathon or mga reading or interpretative reading or unsa na din ang mga reading. So ang mga bata kay may mga pa-contest, may mga festival of talents. So ako ni practice on akong anak base naman lang maka kuan din ni makabag din siya og gold next year. Char! Do ambisyosa gid ba. So syempre, ato po siyang i-apply kay base makaingon niya na sila nga ang ako wala ko sa tudluin no. So mo ni karon si Daya karon ang musalang sa ato ang kuan. Dili man ni siya matibay si Daya, pero ako ni siyang karon kay para mag kuan ba kay mo grade 6 na ni siya karong next school year. So dapat makaibaw na siya, matibay na ni siya magbasa. Kay sa Tagalog maay naman ni siya magbasa, pero sa English medyo kuan pa ni siya tagilid. Dili na day. Dili ni. Say hi to our vlog. Say hi. Hi no? Hi. Dili na. O sige. No, plastikada na ko anak. Sige.
Kudo.
Okay. Tara.
What is the
Kusuga pa paano sa kabati dito?
What is the universe? The whole world and
Hinay,
everything.
uy, di kabati sila. Bungol ba na sila? Dapat makabati
Kusugan
sila.
lang mo, sis.
Kusugon mo kay mga bungol na sila.
What is the universe?
O, question mark, di ba?
Ay.
Hay, paano ang tono sa question mark?
What is the universe?
Oh.
The whole world and everything beyond is the universe. It is all the stars and planets, the earth and its plants and animals, you and me, everything.
Ano ni?
Earth,
Earth. O, di ba may TH?
earth,
Ha?
earth.
Ah, atro ha.
The whole world and everything beyond is the universe.
Ayos, so ikaw hinay.
What is the universe? The whole world and everything beyond is the universe. It is all the stars and planets, the earth and its plants, the earth and its plants and animals, you and me, everything. There are huge groups of stars in space. They are called galaxies, and they're like gigantic star cities.
Kaya tani check ha kung kusog ang imahang boses ha. Bas ato ani siyang praktisyon no kay grade 6 naman ni siya puhon next school year mag kuan na mag grade 6 na ni siya kasi kuya mag first year high school na gurang ng Karabaw. So ang among basahon di ay kani mo ni available sa mua no. Sige. So di na basa na say hi na sila. Say hi. Sige.
What is the universe? The whole world and everything beyond is the universe. It is all the stars and planets, the earth and its plants and animals, you and me, everything. There are huge groups of stars in space. They are called galaxies, and they're like gigantic star cities. When did it all begin? Many astronomers think that everything in the universe was once packed together in one small lump. Then, about 14 billion years ago, there was a gigantic explosion of stuff that they call a Big Bang.
Ano ni?
Then,
Di ba may TH? You have to pronounce the ano.
then,
Okay, then. Okay, next. Dito sa kabila.
will the universe ever end? Some astronomers think that the universe will just carry on getting bigger as the galaxies speed apart. Others think that the galaxies may one day start falling back towards each other until they crash together in a big bang.
Nay lang. Inang butangan man mo sa ano, sa nabalang butangan nimo siya sin inang daw hindi ka ginagupdan. Kung ilog sila maubusan ka hangin. Tapos dili ka magbalik-balik kay bawal ba ka magbalik-balik pag Arla baga pag high school Arla na sa inyo kay
Carla,
o Arla may Arla na di ba kamo? So sa Arla bawal yung magpabalik-balik kay that is repetition. O dire.
what is the Milky Way?
Otro ha?
What is the Milky Way?
Statement ina o question mark?
What is the Milky Way?
What is the Milky Way?
What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is the galaxy we live in. It is made up of all the stars you can see in the sky at night, and lots of and lots more you cannot see.
Uy, hinahin mo lang kay para dili ka, kaya kita ahon, balik-balik mong lots and lots. Parang nag-ano ka, na nag-atras abanti ka kumbaga. Pangit siya pakinggan. O, sige. Mm.
How many stars are there? There are about 1,000 million stars in the Milky Way. That is nearly 200 stars for every person living on Earth today. Although we cannot see all of it, astronomers have worked out how big the universe is and how many stars it has. There are about 100 billion stars in around
Ni, billion stars, dapat, may go bagasin comma. So, dapat pag may comma or may punctuation, you have to stop for a while. Sige.
in around 100 billion galaxies. It is hard even to think about so many stars, let alone count them all.
Okay.